Hi! In front of me is Google Pixel 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in split screen view. First of all, select one of your apps that you wish to use in this view and leave it open in the background. Then do exactly the same to the second one. When you're done, open background apps. If you're using Tricky's navigation, you can do that thanks to this square button. Now decide which app you wish to use on the top half of your screen and click on the icon of it at the top. Finally, click on split screen and tap on the second app. As you can see, now I can use both at the same time. If you wish to go back from this mode, drag one of your apps all the way up or all the way down and tap on Home button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!